Hey friends, if you wish to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint, then please watch this video. So search for PowerPoint in the Windows search bar and open PowerPoint or open any presentation. Click on File, select Account. In the right pane, it mentions the version here. You can click on Update Options and select Update Now. Okay, it will start checking for updates. Now, in my case, I was already up to date, but if it was not updated, it would have updated the system. Here's one part to it. You cannot update PowerPoint only. You will have to update the entire Microsoft Office subscription on your computer. So when you click on check for updates, it will update Word, it will update Excel. If you have Outlook, it will also update that. If you have OneNote, it will update that. So this is what it does. And to confirm if it's updated or not, you'll have to check the version here. I will also suggest one more precaution while updating it. Since a proper update will need time, 5 to 10 minutes, make sure that you do not have any other graphic intensive or system intensive process meanwhile. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.